This tutorial offers a detailed, step-by-step guide for uploading your website files through the Plesk panel. Sign in to your Plesk control panel. Go to File in the left-hand menu. In the File Manager interface, you'll find your website's directory structure. Open the HipDocs directory. To upload files, click the plus button and select Upload Files. Choose the files from your local computer that you want to upload, then click Open in the File Upload dialog box. The files will be uploaded to the HipDocs directory. You should see the uploaded files in the HipDocs directory.